A beautiful day and the humidity just below 68%. Just spraying some toner lacquers on the bottom piece. Still a little tweaking to be done, I can see, but much better. And a look at the bookend molding that I recreated. It turned out really well. That's after applying the toner lacquers to match the existing finish. And as you can see, I'm applying some gesso to the inside grille areas. It's a flat black, and what I like about using it instead of lacquer, if you make any mistakes, get anything on the wooden veneer, you can just wipe it off with a damp cloth. And a look at the completed step. I think that looks great now in the grille area. Much better than before with the new wooden veneer in place. And after touching up this side, you can see the crack in the veneer where I glued it back down. I'll leave that. Definitely gives it some character. A couple other gouges there that you can still see. But this looks a heck of a lot better. Let me move along to the other end and repeat that process, and then we've got to tackle the top. Some really deep scratches on the top of the cabinet, so heck, I elected to just go ahead and sand it off. I'll use a sanding block too. I'm just using my fingers right now, trying to get some of those areas of concern, and then I'll again put a sanding block in place, flatten these out, and work my way down to 400 grit, maybe even to 600 grit. You'll notice I'm going to leave some of the finish on the cabinet, and I wouldn't ordinarily do this, but I'm going to try to match or blend the old finish back into the new finish. We'll see how that works out. You can see I'm starting out with a light oak dye-based toner, and the reason why I'm going to transition over to an extra dark walnut, blend those two together to get kind of a reddish hue to match the existing finish. And I'll look at the cabinet now. I think it definitely looks better. There's still some work to be done, a lot of overspray that I'll need to take care of as well. And of course, no grain filler has been used at this point, just toner lacquers only. So a little more tweaking, and I think we'll be good to go.